This is gonna be an extremely quick update video on what I've been doing in terms of my goals, how I've been goal setting, how I've been creating what I want my goals to be, and I'm gonna share my top 5 goals that by this time next year I want to have accomplished. And I don't know, they're difficult goals, but I know that if I put in the work I can do them. So this videos are going to be all about goal setting, accomplishing your goals, and most importantly working your ass off to achieve those goals.
My name's Juan Carlos. I'm a junior at Harvard University, and this, what you're watching right now,
is a Change Maker channel. So real quick, I'm gonna show you guys my to-do list. Now, when I'm making my to-do list, my business partner taught me a really cool strategy that you wanna be prioritizing the top 5 things that you wanna get done that day. A to-do list can be extremely long, but you don't wanna make it extremely long. You just wanna put the top 5 things that you wanna get done that day, and that way, right when you wake up, you know the 5 things that you're gonna do because you wrote them down the day before. So my top 5 things for now, it's unfortunate because it's already midnight, and I was kind of busy with a lot of meetings today and I wasn't able to get on my to-do list, so today was not extremely effective, but here are my top 5 things that I needed to do today, or that I'm still gonna do. I'm not gonna go to bed till I get these things done, so here they are. So first one is make a video. That's been like all year, make a video every day, basic. 5 miles. I want to try to run 5 miles every single day. It's kind of difficult because I'm like really out of shape, but I'm trying to do it. I'm gonna try to do it. Hopefully I'm able to do it. Send DMs, this is for the business, just a way to get some exposure. Finish that one. This one, what does it say? Oh yeah, finish vision board. I need to finish the vision board. Here's some progress that I made on it. So we got persistence at the top, then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goals. These are 5 goals that I want to achieve by next year, and I'll talk about those in a bit. And the last thing on the to-do list is go over the review videos for an exam that I have on Wednesday. Honestly, that's at the bottom of the list because it's not that important. School's not that important. Like, it's important, but it's not that important. And then if I finish those top 5 things, I get to the extras, and the extras are just a bunch of mundane tasks that I have to do or just extra work that I could do. But the point with this is that you only write down the top 5 things that you want to get done. Nothing more, nothing less. I guess you can put less, but nothing more. You want to learn to prioritize. That's the whole idea behind the to-do list. Just prioritize what's important and forget about, a text, and forget about everything else. Now, since this is a very quick update video, I'm gonna move on to these people. Since this is a quick update video, I'm gonna move on now to the 5 goals that I set for myself that I want to be able to accomplish by this time next year. Goal number 1, live a healthy lifestyle, mentally and physically. The idea behind this goal is that I just want to be more in shape, and I'm doing that through the 5 miles that I'm doing daily. So the idea behind all of this is that you create your vision board, you set your big, massive goals on there, and then you create your daily to-do list, your top 5 things that you're going to do every single day, and you change them up as you go along, but the top 5 things that you're going to do along the way to make your vision board a reality. Because if you just put a vision board up without any actual objectives, actual milestones, then it's just a vision board. They're just dreams, and dreams without goals, without specific goals, are just dreams, and they're going to stay dreams. So make sure that when you're creating your vision board that you put shit down on your to-do list that you're gonna do, actionable steps that you're gonna take in order to achieve those goals. Now, second thing I want to accomplish: achieve 100K in continuous profit without working for anybody. This one's hard. Definitely harder than getting in shape, simply because achieving $100,000 in profit, not revenue, in profit, without actually having a job. I mean, I think I'm gonna do this two ways. One is gonna be a side hustle, which I'll talk about later on in this channel. And the second is a brand that I'm starting with my business partner. And I mean, I'm working on it. It's getting there. I hope it gets there, but that's the second goal. And hopefully by this time next year, on March 20th, 2020, we're in 2019, right? What year are we in? Anyway, by this time next year, I hope that I can just graduate and have $100,000 sitting in my bank account, which is like, it's a lot of money, and like that's what makes me so nervous about it. But I've always heard that if your dreams don't scare you, then they're not big enough. So $100,000 is a number that does scare me. So I think that it is a good goal, and on top of that, I think that it's a realistic goal, which is what makes it so important. Now third goal I want to accomplish: reach 50,000 followers on Instagram. Out of all the goals on my board, I think this one will be the easiest one, simply because I know I've done a lot of research on actionable steps that I can take in terms of how to get there. Honestly, like, I don't think this one will be that difficult. I just need to improve my content on my Instagram. If you're not following me, by the way, I'm gonna plug right here. It's Juan's World. Follow that shit. But I think it's gonna be the easiest goal. Not a lot to it. I just want to have 50,000 followers, because where you have an audience, you have an influence. Pretty simple. The fourth goal is kind of like the Instagram one, which is reach 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. Guys, I love making videos. I recently fell in love with videography, cinematography, photography. I'm slowly starting to like photography better, but mostly I just like videography better. Having said that, I do want to continue making videos. It's extremely time consuming making a video every day, but I don't mind it because I love it so much. So that's another goal. And goal number 5, I was about to show you guys, but I can't show you guys goal number 5 yet because it's so abstract, it's so out there that I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this one. I mean, I know I can do it, but I don't know. I'm still working on the goal number 5, so just give me time on that one. But the other 4 goals are gonna happen, I hope. No, they will happen, god damn it. And I know I kind of skimmed over all of these steps and like everything I'm doing in order to achieve this, but just the very basics. Just create your vision board, create a to-do list that correlates directly to your vision board. There should not be anything on your to-do list that doesn't directly impact your vision board. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this quick life update on my vision board. I'm still creating my vision board. Actually, one of today's to-dos is to finish my vision board up, so I'm gonna get back to doing that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, bro. And I will see you guys later.